How to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system, open Microsoft Excel. Now, so I'm going to select over all the rows that I want to remove duplicates. Now, click on Data tab on the top left corner. Now, click on Remove Duplicates. Click on OK. Then your duplicates will remove. This is how you can simply remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.